Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time on your Whirlpool stove. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new Whirlpool stove, which mine looks like this. How do you actually go ahead and change the time? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and find the panel. Then you're going to click on clock, and then you're going to use the up and down arrows to go ahead and change the hour first. And then afterwards, click on clock again. And then it's going to allow you to blink and change the minutes next. So go ahead and choose your desired minutes. And afterwards, just click on this button here, which is the start button. And that should go ahead and go change the time on your Whirlpool stove. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.